Hi guys! Welcome back to another video. So, this video will be my haul video. It's been so long na hindi ako gumawa ng haul video. Parang feeling ko ang super tagal na. Nandito yung pinaka gustong-gusto kong bilhin for how many years. And ngayon nabili ko na. So, alam nyo na kung ano to but yeah. Guess nyo. So, yeah, without further ado, let's get started. So, I'm gonna start with makeup muna, makeup. I already did film this one. Nag-film na ako nito, pero nung nag-edit na ako, ang pangit. My God, super pangit. And because New Year's resolution ko is I want my videos to be perfect. Basta may ma-upload lang, sige go, i-upload na yun. Yung ganon. So, yeah. I did want to refilm it kasi ang pangit talaga. Ang pangit ko, ang pangit. Parang minadali, yung ganon. Ayoko na ng ganon. So, I want to refilm it. So, majority sa stuff na nasasali dito is nabukas na. Pinili ko online. So, first is I got this one. This is the e.l.f. Cream Blush Palette. Yan. This is in the shade Soft. Oh my God. Mahilig ako sa cream products It looks like this. Ayan. So pretty. Gusto ko sana yung dark shade. Kaso nga lang, wala sa online shop na binilhan ko. And this one is 398 pesos plus 92 pesos na shipping fees. Next is the e.l.f. Cream Contour Palette. Tadaan! This is my second one. Hindi pa nauubos naman yung isa, but I really like this. It's just so good. This one, nabili ko for 320 plus 90 pesos na shipping fee. Tadaan! Oh my God! Ang ganda, oh my God. If naghahanap kayo ng cream contour na affordable, go for this one. Yung undertone niya kasi is grayish. Next is this one. This is the super duper hype na concealer. This is the Tarte Shape Tape Contour Concealer. Taran! And yung shade na in-order ko is in the shade Light Medium Honey. Pero parang hindi ata ito yung light medium honey na in-order ko. Kasi nakalagay lang is light medium. It's actually really huge for a concealer. Taran! Ang laki. I'm gonna do a video review soon for this as well. So, watch out for that. Next is, taran! Ay, baliktad. Ito yung Kat Von D Shade and Light Cream Contour. So, mas bet ko ang cream contour compared to powder contour. I don't know, but yun yung preference ko I just like it. Super ganda ng packaging, besh! Oh, see? Second to the last na item for this video is none other than the most awaited. Ito yung pinaka, alam mo yun, like, I wanted this so bad before, for how many years na, pero ngayon ko lang nabili. Alam mo yun, kasi hindi ako matipid na tao I spend a lot. Pero ngayon, nabili ko na ang aking camera. Nabili ko. This is the EOS 750D. In-order ko siya sa Lazada. So, ilalagay ko sa description box kung how much ko siya binili. And, hindi ko alam if napansin nyo na medyo bago na yung quality ng aking camera is different from what I usually use kasi I'm using it now. I'm sorry. But, yeah. I have, yung unboxing video will be coming up soon. So, watch out din. Bumili na din ako ng memory card. Which is, tada! This is the SanDisk Extreme memory card. Ito yung ni-recommend nung tao sa akin.